All right. Hello, Internet. Back to another episode. I believe it's episode 5 of Is It Hard to 3D Model? And no, it's not. We're going to do something easy today, mostly because I couldn't think of anything else. Do a DVD case. We're also going to UV it. Super easy. So Shift S, make sure our cursor is at world origin. Add a mesh here at the top. Mesh, cube, tab. To go in edit mode. S to scale way down. I don't know the exact sizes, but whatever. Z of 0. Hit 1 to go to the front, so you know which one's front. X of 0. Y of 0. GY. Oh, right there. Oh, looks right. GZ to move up. All right. A to deselect all. A again to select all. Period on the numpad to focus on selection. There we go. We're already like 3/4 of the way there. All right. So what we're going to do is, which one do I want to do? I'll do it this way. So hit E to extrude, hit the right mouse button to cancel the move. It's still extruded though. Scale in the Z, scale it way down, maybe about right there. Scale in the Y, right there. Extrude inward. It should automatically be on the line, but if not, you can right click and then hit G for move and then X for X axis. All right, there. There you go. Whoa, don't do that. I don't know what I just did. Um, yeah, and then hit Shift R. Put a one right there. Right click to cancel the move. Now, gotta select this line. We should have lines selected, but if not, it's up, or edges. Sorry. Select edges up here. Select that one and that one. Scale in the Z. Never mind. Go back up here to the pivot point next to the gimbal tool. Change it to median point and scale in the Z just a little bit. Just get a little edge to it, and then select the outs. Well, I guess inside rig. Gonna scale in the Y just a little bit, and then scale in the Z just a little bit. That way, there we go. And then I'm gonna do a lot of detail on this one. It's not really needed because you're just, it's in the background. You don't actually need all that much detail, but whatever. Now, I see. So, actually, I'm just gonna do that. Oh, that might be the best way to do it. Shift R. Right there. There we go. Well, do I actually need? Eh, I guess that's fine. Just like that, that. Actually, just select the whole thing. Alt, click, deselect you, oh, no. So you're holding Shift and selecting a selected one, and no, unselect it. Now, if I hit Control B, just gonna bevel it real quick, just a thin bevel. Excuse me, sorry. And then, nice, hit Extrude, cancel the move with a right click. I'm going to scale in the Z just a tiny little bit, just to give it that. And then go up here, select faces. So select this face, a period to focus, and that face. in that face, in that face. Then hit G on the X just a little bit. Try to make it even. 7 to view the top. Oops. Well, should be good. I mean, yeah. And there you go. Now it has, oops. Now it has this nice inset. And then go to edge loop or edges up here at the top. Select this back edge right here. GX. Just kind of pop it out a little bit. Make it a little round. All right. This is already a lot more detail than you actually need for something like this, but that's okay. Um, and you know what? Let's just for the just for the UV. Let's do. Oh, where does that go? Hmm. You see, this might not actually work then. Okay, ignore that. Anything else I need? That should be good. I'm not going to do the inside or anything. So just that. Actually, now that I think about it, it's a little wide. Hit one. Make sure you're in edit mode. Hit oops. Deselect all of A. Z. I'm going to select faces. Do this. Actually, no. Go to vertices and just make sure that yeah. GX to move on the X. And I'm just going to pin it down just a little bit. That'll work. To Z. All right. Cool. Now we're going to UV it. Here's our DVD case. So let's UV it. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna merge those. So you just select this one, M at last. I don't really need, or do I want those? Well, the bevel's not really doing anything. Oh, you know what? I could mess with that. Let's do it this way. Go to edge. No, no, get out of here. Edge. Click on this. Click on the back one. Scale in the Y just a little bit. There we go. So yeah, that'll make it a little bit smoother around there. Okay, now we're going to uh, UV it. Alright, so let's do the top. So Alt Shift select. Oh, I see. It did that. We'll deselect those. We don't need those. Yeah, those can stay selected. And, oh boy. You know what? That works. That that does work. Just not that one. Not that one. And that. And Control E to mark seam. Perfect. That's already pretty much there. Select the top here. Uh-oh. I actually have to fix that. Click on you and click on you. Get period to focus. I really didn't do anything. Oh, great. They're too far apart. Hit scale in the Z just to push them back a little bit. There we go. Probably too far. That's fine. Nope. Make sure on edges, select this, and that works. Control E, mark seam. That down there, hit period. There we go. Uh, hmm. I guess I should be fine. We'll see. All right. Go up here to UV editing at the top. I like it the other way. So if you want to change the layout, I'd like to, you don't have to. At the top here, click that, do 3D viewport. Same on this side, except do UV editor. I just like it this way. Area to focus, hit U and unwrap. Oh yeah, go to over here on the toolbar on the side at the bottom. There's material. I'd already made one. Uh, yeah, you just make it. You just click new material, and I got this checker pattern years and years and years ago. I don't remember where I got it from, but you can just find a checker pattern, and then under base color, you click it, and then under texture, you do image texture. You click it, and then you select where it is. And there you go. And then come over here. It used to be if you hold Z, maybe it's just this, but now it's just press, and I can't actually select the what I want. So just open this up on the shading models up here. Do textured? No. There's this one. Oh, okay, it is that one. Okay, that's what I thought. Okay, it's pretty much there. Let's see. Go to the UV side. Up here, you can do. Oh, I can scroll that. I didn't know that. That's handy. Well, you learn something new every day. Right here. That's vertice. That's the same as 3D view. You can move that edge loop. It's an edge base. It's base. And this is island. This is for UV editing. You move the entire island piece that we cut up. Let's see. Let's just check it all out. Make sure it's good. That looks good to me. A to select all. Deselect. Select all. UV. We're going to pack the islands at. That works. Okay. GX. There we go. Just move them apart a little bit. Because they're too close together when you are when you texture it, depending on like if it's a small texture size, which you don't need a big one for this, you can get bleed over. So you want to make sure they're a little far apart. You kind of learn how much it has to be as you play with it. Uh, and there you go. And now we have a DVD case, more detailed than it has to be. The UVs are kind of jank, but let's see. No, it is because of that. So what I'm going to do is go back to layout. We're going to edit the UVs a bit more. Make sure we're on the edges. Select this edge. Oh, I selected the entire thing. Nice. All right. Control E. Mark seam. Perfect. Select a line over there. Focus on it. Um, Control E right there. Mark seam on the end piece. Same on the bottom. That end piece. Mark seam. Go back to UV editing. Hit U unwrap. There we go. There we go. Now the UVs are fixed. You can always go back and fix it if need be. Um, I'm gonna separate them a little bit. So then you can group them by what kind of material or how they look, material and color. Oops, not that one. That one. GUI to move it up, just so there's some separation. I'm just hitting GX or GY to move an X or move an Y. Oh, that's all I'm doing. There we go. That's it. You got a DVD, well, obviously you have to text it and all that, but there you go. You have a DVD case, more detail than it needs, and it is UV'd. There we go. That's it. So, yeah, let me know if you know, I'm making it not simple enough or too simple, or you have any suggestions or what have you, or if you got any information that you think might be helpful or whatever. And yeah. Oh, and check out the links in my description. The first one should be a link to my first game, Defend Your Buttress. I'd appreciate it if you gave a look at that and possibly buy it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless.